Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, so it's been over a month that we have been in this lockdown period and we all are trying to make the best of this time by revisiting our old hobbies, experimenting with cooking and definitely spending a lot of time on social media. But I've been told that many of you are struggling to take great pictures at home because you cannot go outside or create a fancy background. Well, if that's the case, let me share with you my personal tips on how to get great selfies at home.